Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Lemfo TF9 and we will see what we have from this smartwatch, when we can use it and what option do we have on it. So let's begin with unboxing immediately. As you can see, the box is very simple. We have the TF9 logo or image right here. In the back we have remote shot, heart rate, distance, step pedometer, call alert, distance, alarm, calories, sleep monitoring, and sanitary alarm. And these are just a few options that we have in the TF9. Also we have here TF9 and the color that is black. When you unbox it, it reveals immediately the watch itself. As you can see right here, it's very simple. Underneath this plastic we have the charger and the user manual like usual. You can see the charger is very simple, USB, and we have the 2-dot charger with a clipper, and we have the user manual in English, which is very useful when you ship this smartwatch worldwide. As you can see in the user manual, you will find in details what we have or what we need in the TF9. So this is the box. Let's go ahead and power the watch on, see what we got. Now that the watch is on, as you can see in the first page we have time, percentage of battery, date, steps, distance, and heart rate. We have here sports. Next we have sleep, measurement of heart rate, training, measurement of blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, player, shutter, and others. Here in others we have switch style, we have settings, brightness. As you can see, you can adjust your brightness here in others. Press and hold for each individual of these options to access them. As you can see, it's a little bit hard to work with these smartwatches that are a little bit older than like usual, but again you can work with them. As you can see, we have reset, power off, and we have the Defit app QR code, and that's it for the TF9. Let's begin with some tests that we saw before. As you can see in this menu, we will find here heart rate first, long press or press and hold like I say, and we will see how fast it will measure our heart rate. As you can see, we have the first result, which is very useful, very fast, and very surprising as well. And we have the final result, which is very fast from the TF9, and I have to say today's smartwatches are not that fast. We have here running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. From the sports, let's try walking, which is the first one. As you can see, we have the distance, steps, burn calories, blood pressure, and we have the seconds going at the bottom. Not too many options, but just enough for the average, for every person to use this watch in daily basic. We have here blood pressure. Let's see how fast it measures it. I hope it measures like the heart rate, because that was pretty fast. As you can see, the result of the blood pressure are here. It takes a little bit longer than the heart rate, but it's again the blood pressure, so it takes longer, and the blood oxygen as well, that is really fast. As you can see, you have other options. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.